Hey babes, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I know, I haven't posted in over a month. I've been a little MIA. If you're following me on Instagram, you have already seen all the little updates that I've been doing here in the studio. If you're not following me on Instagram, go follow me because I post almost daily on my Instagram stories so you can stay updated on my studio. Guys, today's video is one for the books. I was reviewing the clips because my sink area took a good couple weeks to complete. I am not going to say it's 100% completed because it's a little bit dark in this area. I do have some light pieces that I added. If you have seen my empty studio tour, then you know that I have a whole wall of just windows, so it does let a good amount of light in the space, but then over here it gets a little bit dark. I don't like turning these lights on. They're just ugly. They give hospital vibes. So I still need to add a couple more light pieces over here to brighten up the mood. But let's get into today's video because it was intense to get it how it looks right now. I'm gonna quickly show you a before. This is how this space looked and I had a vision. This is how it turned out. Let me give myself a pat in the back. Like I mentioned, it's still not 100% complete, but let's get into today's video. Okay, so I wanted to take a break from wallpapering because it's a little intense, and let's open my sink. This is the bowl sink that I ordered from Amazon. I will have everything linked down below for you guys if you want to order what I bought. Do not open with a knife. How do I open it then? Okay, creo que estaría bien. Nomás no meto la navaja hasta abajo, ¿verdad? Nomás por encimita. Look at her. Dang, she's pretty big. Ugh. Oh. How does it look? Y que lo quiebre. Let me show you. That is the bowl sink. You guys need a lot of imagination to see how it's gonna look. That's the countertop. That's my circle mirror. So now we are building the vanity, but unfortunately we painted over the plastic, so it's just scraping off. I don't know what we're gonna do. We're gonna build it and see how it goes.
This video is being sponsored by HII Tools.
Yeah. What is it supposed to be?
So it's a stud scan. So we're just looking for studs.
And what is it supposed to do? Is that good or bad?
That's good. It found the stud.
Okay.
So that's where we're gonna put the support for your
Cabinet.
sink. Yeah.
Perfect. No, padecito.
Todavía están bien especiales.
Next step, building the drawer.
Oh, nice. It's gonna be like two little, it's gonna be divided. Okay, so we already did 22, 23, now we're doing 24, which is that situation right here. Ready? Let's take our little things over there. Then those are gonna be small drawers.
Yeah, I think so. Okay.
Oh, this one's in here already. I don't know what this is called, but we got this for the drill. It is
It's porcelain stone.
porcelain and stone. I'll show you guys the actual packaging. It is the same size as my bowl sink. So we're gonna make a hole on the vanity top.
1/4 and 1/4. So this should be right there.
We're also going to make holes for this faucet, which we only need to make 2 holes. And with that, where's the drill bit that you're gonna use for that?
I'm gonna start with the small one.
You're gonna start with the small one?
Finish it with the big one.
Okay. This one, what is it called? This is what it's called, right? Here we go. Porcelain, tile, and stone. Does it say what size it is? 2.5 inches. This is what we bought, so let's start drilling some holes. Oh, it came through. Here goes the second one. Okay, so now we're doing the big one.
Nervous for this. This is my first time working on anything like this.
It looks good. We just used a regular pen to like draw out the circles, and I TMI, but I used spit and my finger and it comes right off. So
I'm nervous for this one.
okay, baby, you got it.
Well, let's just hope that one is big enough for the...
Let's try it. Where's the manguera? Okay, so we needed the hole to be big enough to fit this.
And
So
it's not.
ugh. No.
No.
Oh no, do you have a bigger one?
Yes, I do.
Thank God, okay. Wait, you think that's good?
Yes, it's gonna be good.
Dude, that looks huge though.
It's gonna be fine.
Okay, here we go. Round 2. 3. Round 3. Okay. Moment of truth.
Yeah!
I made it through.
That's perfect,
And
too.
it's a perfect size.
Nice,
What size bit is this?
That is my biggest one, which is 1/2 inch.
1/2 inch. So a 1/2 inch is perfect for the faucet, which will be linked down below if you guys want this sink. Moment of truth, y'all. Let's see if it is spaced out correctly. Oh,
Oh,
What are you gonna do? It doesn't fit. What did you do? Explain.
So I just pushed it this way so I could trim closer.
So I could get
Yes.
cut more on this side?
Yeah.
Do you have faith this one is gonna work?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Oh my God. You no?
No.
No?
Just by centimeters. Look, just
Alright.
a little bit. Just the top.
Woo! Almost. Third luck's the charm, baby.
There
One
it
more.
is.
One more time. One more time. We got this. You go extra hard this time? Why did you do that? I had a broom to broom it.
Well,
Oh my God.
that's how men do it.
You're still going at it?
Yeah, to make sure. Third time is the only time. Ain't no.
Más.
Ain't no fourth time.
Aquí nomás puro Mickey Mouse, okay?
This ain't no Mickey Mouse. What you talking about?
Oh, she fresh. You know what? I'm gonna tell everyone we did it on the first try.
What?
I think we only got one opportunity for this one, but this one can't go wrong, huh?
No.
Ooh, it's smoking. Why? Oh, baby. Don't be blowing everything.
Sorry, I have to.
Ooh, is it gonna start a fire?
No, why would it?
Because it kind of smells like it.
Yes, I don't have my thing strong enough. Come on, sucker.
Should we add some water?
No, why would you add water?
I don't know. Ooh, what is that? What was that? Why isn't it all the way through?
Because I took this off.
Oh, okay, okay. Level 1?
Yeah.
How many more levels? 10.
The last
one. Came through. So here it goes. Oh wow, it looks perfection.
Yeah, it was perfect too. Look at that. Look
Wow.
how it
Smitten. whatever that's called, if that's what it's called. So we added the caulking to this. We already finished the faucet. We are just waiting until tomorrow to finish the actual sink part because the vanity top needs to dry. We put the paint buckets on either side so it can give it that weight. But it is looking so far so good. So we did get this professionally spray painted, but one of my guests did say that these cabinets are very hard to spray paint. I think she said that using something like this, which is a very smooth roller and just regular cabinet paint, would work better. So yeah.
Are you taping me?
What?
Have you been taping me?
Yeah, I've been recording you.
Taping me all that.
Put your hair back because if not, you're gonna get it on wet paint. Oh my god. It looks so good, babe.
It does, huh? With the roller?
Yeah. I've been having a fun time doing this with you.
Yeah?
Wait, what is this right here on my head?
A Ghana.
What?
2 of them, big ass ones.
Why don't you tell me I have ganas?
I just noticed that when you pull it back, baby, your hair's like, it's like literally going under.
You can't see it?
No.
I could. On the camera?
Because you're the only one that pays 100% attention to everything in the world.
Wait, we're gonna take all the floor off?
No, just parts of it. Oh!
It went in my nose.
It went in your nose?
That paper went in my nose.
Oh my god. Now that it's complete, it looks phenomenal, you guys. It was very hard getting here because I wanted to be very intentional with every little piece that I bring in my new space. I want it to be very comfortable for not only me, but for my guests when they're here. I want the vibe to just feel luxurious. I want them to feel like home and just cozy. So now that it's done, I'm so happy. Halloween, Christmas, all those holidays are coming up, and if you guys have been here with me during my other videos when I decorate my studio for the holidays, you guys know that I kind of go all out. So I'm really excited to see how I decorate over here for Christmas, for Halloween. Halloween's like down the corner. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. More videos are coming because again, my space is not 100% complete. I still want to do something over here to the reception area. My waiting area still needs a rug. I have brought them in here and just not liked them, so I returned them. I found my couch that I love. I love that it has like the gold accent on the floor. My little light over here, you guys, it matches the handles over here. So you know the vibes in here are gold, black, pink, light pink, white, just like so pretty and just like, oh, I love it so much. I also am doing something very fun to this wall. That wall, I'm sure you guys seen in the mirror, like what I'm kind of going for with a TV. That space is still not done either, so stay tuned for that. Again, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Remember, we all start from page 1. So if you guys love what you are seeing, please subscribe down below. Hit that like button if you enjoyed. If you didn't, give it a thumbs down so I can know. And until next time, bye my loves. That was really awkward. My outro sounded a little weird. I'm really rusty because I haven't filmed in, I think, over a month or maybe more. I'm not sure, but Subscribe right here to my face that just popped up. You are subscribed to my channel if you click it. And then watch 2 other of my videos before you head out. Love you. Bye. Okay, that felt a lot better.